Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm redoing my room. It's a little messy now because I've already started. Like, I'll tell you what I did already, but right now I'm just wiping down my stuff with a magic eraser. My siblings wrote on it. So over there I had my dresser. I'll show you. I'm gonna paint it. This is my nightstand. I'm using the magic eraser now. I'm gonna use the magic eraser and paint. I might not paint my desk. I might just wipe it off because my desk is still kind of new. It just got a little marks on it. And I'm getting rid of that nightstand, and I'm getting something else. I'll insert a picture or a clip of it once I get it. Hopefully I get it from Amazon. So yeah, my dresser used to be over there, and now it's just a mess in here because my dresser is already in the living room. I'm about to take it outside to paint it, and the dog used to be here. And I'm putting my dresser in the closet. Gotta move my shoes. I'm gonna keep using the magic eraser. So guys, I've officially finished painting everything. I think I might have to like spot treat, but and my lips glue because I had an IC. So I'm gonna show you what I've painted so far. And yeah, so this is the nightstand. The drawer isn't in there, but I painted in the inside here. These are the dressers. So sorry, you saw those already. And the Kalina. And this is the, it's not focusing. This is the dresser. Yeah, we had an incident outside. It just paint spilled. It was a mess, but it's all good now. And now I am about to organize some of this stuff right here. I think I showed you guys, and that's a puff. That's a puff right there. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube, get to organizing after I eat my chicken nuggets. So guys, I haven't been recording that much, but this is where I'm at. I'm just going through all this stuff. I didn't think you would want to watch this, but I just went through all the stuff up there and like got rid of stuff that I didn't need and got stuff from under my bed and put it up there that I actually needed. Now I'm going through my arts, like painting and stuff, and then I'm gonna go through my nail polishes and my jewelry. And most of this stuff I use on the daily, except like stuff that I need to put back and find a place for right now till I get the storage thing. And so it's way later and I look a mess, but I brought the nightstand in the room. I'm about to fill it with this stuff. I still gotta go through my jewelry and all that, but I took this side off because the thing that I'm getting might not fit like with that there, so I just got rid of it so I could paint over there. I just put it under my bed because I have nowhere else to put it. But my dresser in here, and I'm just finding places for stuff right now till I get the container thingy over there. And I'm gonna go through my desk and clean off my bed, and then I'm going to go to bed. So this is it for day 1 of redoing my room. It is currently like 3 in the morning, and yeah, so it's a few days later, so I'm guessing it's 2 days later from the last time I recorded. But I did some new things and I didn't record it like an idiot because I was too in the moment. But I will show you guys, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing today, what progress I've made. We've made big progress with one thing. If you can guess what it is, just one little twist right there. That's my phone. So I've painted the walls. My granddad helped me. I put my, oh, it was out of focus. I put the lights up. It's painting these. I'm gonna paint them the same white as my walls, so it will like blend in. I think it will look cute. And then the dog watch for the camera. Not really day 3 because I've been doing multiple things that I don't think I recorded. But today I'm gonna put up the cabinet thingy, put up some curtains, put my brick things on the wall that I showed you that I painted. I'm spray painting those now, but the camera's about to die and I didn't charge it. But I'll show you a little bit of me putting it together. Well, I need to charge my battery because my battery's about to die. But I'll show you like the end parts because I don't want to bore you with the whole thing. Ta-da! I put the wheels on it. So now I'm just going to transfer my makeup into it. So I finished. I put all my stuff in it. I put up my curtain. Now I gotta make my bed. These large. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the curtains. So this is the curtain. My window is small, so I just got one thing and just have a new rod, and it's like kind of shorter, which is better because the other one was getting stepped on. These are the lights. I just gotta get pictures to put on them. So now I'm about to put my sheets on my bed finally. Done. I'm gonna get one more pillow and I'm gonna put it, it's a picture, you put a picture of it right there, but I'm just gonna put this in here for now. And I'm gonna do some finished touches and then I will show you the end product. So I'm basically done. There's still like a small thing, but I'm just gonna show you around real fast. You're not part of my room. You have your own room.
That's what you're. That's why you look like an egg.
So when you open the door, this is what you see. So over here, remember I spray painted this. This used to be blue. I don't know if I showed you, but I spray painted it yellow. And I just put all my purse and jackets over there. Then dirty clothes, yada yada yada. Closet, not done with the closet. I might show you like if I add something to the closet because I want to like put something over here to hold all my perfumes in or something. And get rid of that not get rid of it, but find somewhere else to put that camera stuff, because that black stuff right there is camera stuff. And then my dresser, vanity, because they got all my makeup in it. So I have eyes. It's not very organized yet. I gotta get organizers. Lips. That's all the lip stuff I have. Face. Yeah. And then makeup products and remover wipes. Not makeup things to, like beauty blenders and brushes. And then this is like face care and body care. So yeah. And then this is basically turning into a room tour. And then here's all my camera stuff. And these are just the boxes that my camera's put in, and I just put other camera stuff like cords and stuff to make it look fancy a little. Not fancy, but like you could tell that it's for cameras. And then apple is new. And then I want to put the cubes right here. Right here. I want to put the medium one right here. The big one right here, and the small one. But like I don't like how they're painted right now, so I might repaint them. But next is my desk. This butterfly here, but for right now. So I got this. It's just all my paints, because I do a lot of painting. Just all my paints. And this is 4 napkin holders from Dollar Tree. I have the book series that I want to read. I have this little watercolor thingy. This teddy bear has 2 necklaces on it. I should probably put that with my jewelry, but I just like the teddy bear. This is a gift. And the lamp is something else. I was in my room before, but like because it's blue, it like goes with the bed. But we're gonna get a say hi. So yeah, I have the bed, and I just have this right here because sometimes I don't like going under the blankets. And then I have the nightstand. Ignore that, I can't push it under the bed. Okay, so on the nightstand I just put this is a recorded, what is it called? I don't know, I can't think. It's late, it's like 12 in the morning, but I just put this back right here. I have 2 candles, and I have this flower, it's just right there. I have this little thing full of stuff that I got a while ago, and I just think it's cute. And then the sign that says Giggle, a picture that I gotta find where to go, because I think it'll be cute because my room is yellow. This is me and my sister. And I have this little thing I did at elementary school, the sculpture, and this hamster toy. Comment below if you know what the name of these toys are. But I guess his name is Giggle because He's right here. I just thought it was cute. Cage. Just needs to be a little organized. And I have my TV, and I need to turn on the lights. We see. You put a different color. I put blue. It looks pretty. Purple on camera. But yeah, that's basically my room. Room transformation. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for a room tour and my videos coming up. Because of quarantine, I will be posting more videos. Why am I talking like this? But I look hot mess. Not a hot mess. I just look a mess. And I need to take a shower and get in that bed right there and go to sleep. So, bye guys.